How to get glowing skin naturally. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is known for its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It will eliminate the harmful free radicals that are damaging the skin. It also enhances collagen production, and this keeps your skin supple and glowing. All you have to do is mix turmeric powder with gram flour and add some milk to form a paste. Now apply this on your face and neck and leave it up for 10 to 15 minutes. Then go for a face wash. Coconut oil. Coconut oil locks the moisture in your skin and also nourishes it with essential fatty acids that are required. Its phenolic compounds contribute to its antioxidant activity and give you glowing skin. Take some oil and lightly warm it and then massage it on your face and neck. Let it stay overnight on your skin. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera gel is the ultimate solution for all your skin problems. Its nourishing and healing properties rejuvenate the skin to give it a natural glow. Not only this, it can also help you get rid of your pimples. Mix aloe vera with a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey and milk. Now apply this mixture on your face and neck and let it stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, wash your face with lukewarm water. Lemon. The sugar granules with lemon juice are of great help to get rid of dead cells. Lemon cleanses, bleaches, and also removes tan. It is one of the nature's best skin brightening agents. Just mix some sugar with lemon juice and apply the mixture on your face. Leave for about 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Papaya. Ripe papaya contains papain, an enzyme that acts as a mild oxyflator. This gently removes the top layer of dead cells on the face and makes your skin radiant and younger looking. It also clears the dirt and oil that can lead to acne and breaks out on the face. Cut a papaya into small pieces and then make a simple paste of it with some honey. Apply this on your skin for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends. In order to not miss any future updates, do subscribe to my channel.